Hello.
Hello again, Sir
Have you ever
Ben.
seen the rain?
Always.
How are you?
Tag-ulan na po dito. I'm fine, I'm
I'm
fine.
Van Bautista, aka Chino Romero of California with
Hannah,
of.
Zambales, Philippines.
So everyone, we hope you like it. Are you ready?
Ready. Tag-ulan, tag-init.
Alright,
Ready.
before we sing, I would like to mention our top fans, monthly fan subscribers, video sharers, star senders, commenters, admins, and silent followers. How about you? You want to greet somebody?
Oh, how I wish magkaroon na rin ako ng top fans and yeah, fans. I congratulate you for your very good followings that you have. Salamat sa inyong beautiful choices of songs. I love almost all the songs that you upload here in Smule.
Ready? Someone told me long ago, woo, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day?
Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard. I know, been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know, it can't stop, I wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Mainit kahit umuulan. Thank you.
Alright, we made it.
Again, we made it.
Did you like it?
Of course.
Did you like it?
Really?
Please share.
I
Thank
do.
you in advance. God bless. Salamat po.
Salamat
Daghang
din.
salamat.
Daghang salamat.
Agyaman kami.
Of course.
Thank you. Pakinggan natin.